Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Bitfinex trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitfinex application on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, tap on the sign up option. This will then take you into the sign up page where you can enter your preferred username followed by your email address to set up your account. After entering your preferred username, type in the email address that you want to use for your account. And now type in your account password underneath. Now choose your country of residence. And if you have a referral code, you can enter this within the given box as well. Now tap on sign up. After solving the small captcha, you will be asked to create your PIN. Type in your desired PIN and then type it in once again for confirmation. And now you will need to install the Google Authenticator app if you don't have it already. Tap on the download button and proceed forward, or you can tap on I have installed the app if you already have the app downloaded. Now you will be given your setup key. You can also use a QR code by tapping on the available option. Now go into the Authenticator app and then enter the setup key that you have been given. Once you have added your key, you can simply enter the verification code from Google Authenticator. And once the setup is completed, you will now need to check your inbox to find the verification email. So open up your email application and now you will find the verification code that you can use to verify your account. You can also tap on the given link, which will now confirm your account. Now once you tap on OK, you can start using your newly set up Bitfinex account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and start using the Bitfinex trading app on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.